To calculate your cost per truck per day, you add together every expense that truck creates in a single day, both fixed and variable, then divide that total by the number of operating days, or just look at that one day's total if you want a daily snapshot. This includes fuel, driver pay, insurance, maintenance, permits, and truck payments, all combined into one clear daily number. Think of your truck like a little business that has to pay its own bills every single day, whether it drives 1 mile or 300 miles. Fixed costs are the expenses that stay the same no matter what, like insurance, truck payments, and permits, and you should divide those by the number of days you operate in a month to get a daily amount. Variable costs change based on how much the truck actually works, like fuel, tires, and repairs, so you track those separately and add them in each day. Something most people never think about is depreciation, which means your truck is slowly losing value every single day just from age and mileage, even if nothing breaks, and that should be counted as a real daily cost too. Another hidden cost is idle time, meaning days the truck sits without work, but still racks up insurance and payment costs, which quietly eats into your profits if you are not tracking it. Once you add all of this up and divide by your operating days, you get a true daily cost, which tells you the minimum amount you need to charge just to break even. One common mistake is only counting fuel and driver pay while forgetting fixed costs like insurance and truck payments, which makes your daily number look much lower than it really is, so always include every expense, even the ones that feel automatic. Another issue is using old numbers from months ago instead of updating them regularly, since fuel prices and maintenance costs shift often, so recalculate your daily cost at least once a month to stay accurate. A lot of people also forget to separate fixed and variable costs, which makes it hard to see where money is actually being spent. So keeping two simple categories side by side gives you a much clearer picture and helps you price your jobs correctly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.